Okay, guys, the things that we put our parents through because we are chasing love. I'm just thinking about how Utirano said that her mother loves Umelelo. And she says that at first it wasn't easy for her mother to accept the type of relationship she's in, and it was not easy for her mother to accept Umpumelelo. But now the way the mother loves him, like you'd swear that it was not the very same mother who was basically against the whole relationship and against him. But I guess maybe, guys, when a child comes in angazige, if the mother changed when the child came in or what. But yeah, but it just made me think that the way, at most times, the way our parents, especially our mothers, the way our mothers perceive our partners is truly dependent on us. So, which means Utirelo speaks very well about Umpumelelo to her mother, because there's no way Utirelo is telling her mother all these things that Umpumelelo does, and there's no way for any parents to just be like, oh, okay, I still love him with these flaws. No, no way. So that means Utirelo is the one that, she speaks well of Umpumelelo to her mother, and that's the thing that made her mother warm up to Umpumelelo. And Umpumelelo even says it himself. He says that Utirelo's mother is his girl, meaning Uti that the mother is willing to defend Umpumelelo. That's how much she is fond of him. But it just makes me wonder if the mother truly knows the nitty-gritties of what really goes on in that relationship, for her to like embrace Umpumelelo like that. But I guess guys abazali abafani. But it just makes me think that yeah, we put our parents through the most, you guys. We put them through the most. There that she's no longer alive, but till today her father is fighting and standing that okay, she did not take her own life. Meaning, whereas people are like, that's basically what it is. But the father's like, hey, I know my child. And I'm just like, the way our parents are willing to defend us, guys, and willing to support us, I shame. If you still truly do have a parent that loves you, guys, and supports you, even in your bad decisions, angazi, if you should say, but you should be grateful for them, because at the end of the day, it is your decision, it's your decision. And I really hope Puguti, like Kumpumeleno, lives up to the expectation that, he's the expectation that Uterelo's mother has for him. And I really do hope that it does good towards Uterelo, because you know what, you guys, I don't want to lie, ne? One thing I've noticed about Uterelo seems to really protect the image. It seems like she really tries to protect the image of her man. That's what I've perceived. But we'll see as the season goes on, you guys, because everyone reaches their breaking point. Everyone gets to points where they get tired and they're like, you know what, I can't protect this person for this long. I need to protect myself, because clearly Umpumelelo is out there to just protect his vision. And I don't know at what cost. Anyway, guys, tell me what you think about this. Please do make sure that you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you on the next one.